What is the value of log base 2 of 8? Well, what is a log? Well, a log is really just saying that 2 raised to what is equal to 8. So the 2 raised to something, some mystery value, is equal to 8, right? And of course, we can make that x. 2 raised to x is equal to 8. And 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. That's something that I just happen to know. But if you don't happen to know that, all you really need to do is plug in numbers. You can plug in c, you can go 2 raised to 6, put that on your calculator, and you'll see that 2xy 6 is 64. So that's too big. Then you might test choice B and think, does this work? 2 raised to 4, that's 16. And then you'll come back to A and choose 2 raised to 3. Yeah, that's 8. So the answer has to be choice A. A good thing to note that this is number 49. That's pretty far into the test. There's only 60 questions on the test, so they consider on the ACT, they consider this concept of logarithms a hard concept. So when they ask you about it, they're often going to give you a fairly easy question because the concept itself is hard enough to make many students miss the question, so that the question itself doesn't have to be super hard. The easiest way to do these is to really ask yourself what does the logarithm mean, to rewrite it without the logarithm there. So 2 raised to what is equal to 8. That's the wording you can use. Then you can put it into this other form, 2 raised to what, or of course write 2 raised to x is equal to 8. And then from there you can plug in your answers or whatever else the problem calls for. Okay, so in this case, 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, so the answer is A.